Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me to take Instagram pictures, and also I'm going to be doing a mini unboxing. Some of my items came from AliExpress. I have about 5 years, so and I already prepped my skin, so eyes done. I know my brows look so funny. That's because I didn't feel them. I just concealed them and they're like over full. So next I'm going to be applying foundation. Slightly. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix in NW48 to set and I'm using my olive brow to contour. It's broken, but I just hope you can see. Do you guys like my nails? I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. Lashes done. So now I'm going to be setting my face. Hi guys, so I'm done with my makeup. So moving to the unboxing part of this video, I have 5 items here. So I'm going to start opening from the biggest, which is this one. So this says sticker. So this is what it is. These are sticker tattoos. For the next item, so this is a headband, and I'm going to be using it to make a headband wig. very soon, so you guys should watch out for that video. Next, this says jewelry box. I honestly don't know what this is, so it's nothing close to jewelry box. It's lashes. Next, body jewelry. This is probably a bead. Yeah. And the last item we have here is necklace. Oh, finally it's here. This is my necklace. It's wish. It says make a wish and put on your necklace. Don't be afraid to be bold. Don't be afraid to be bold. Wear this necklace as a reminder to wish without limits. Make it count. So I'm going to make my wish. I don't think I got it, but anyways, we're there. So this is so cute. I love it. And I'm going to go and take my pictures now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.